So if you need to manually upload a workout, a run, a bike, a paddle, a walk, there's a way to do that using Strava if you were not connected to a mobile device during the activity itself. So this is my home screen, my dashboard. Here's my profile pic. And next to my profile pic, there is an ad. So if you click that ad, you can if you click that ad, if you click that ad, you can go down to add manual entry. And then this takes you to the manual entry screen. So you can choose the sport, you can toggle whichever you'd like. So today I went for a run, and I can title it Afternoon Run. The description, how did it go? Here you can control who sees it. So if you just wanted to keep it private, you could choose you. If you just wanted to have the people that follow you, you could choose that. Or if you wanted to make it public to everyone, that could be a choice as well. So then you get to choose how many miles was it? It was 3.5 miles. The duration was 35 minutes. If you wanted to put elevation feet in, you could add anything else. So once you get that, you can create, and then you've logged a run for the day.